Hey guys, it's your girl Part of My Beauty TV, and here I am with another video. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you guys part one of me crocheting a blanket for my daughter, but she's not here yet. So yeah, so this is me struggling with making a slip knot. I haven't crocheted in a while. I know I look a mess, but like I'm tired and pregnant, so yeah. Anywho, so yeah, this is me struggling making a slip knot, and basically I finally got the slip knot. I got this yarn from Walmart. It was like $2. I think the needle is either 8 or 9 mm, whatever that is. I don't really know. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna chain 41, 42 chains to start off, and then basically I'm just gonna continue doing single crochets into each row, and I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know, a little close-up of what I'm doing in a minute, but basically that's what I'm doing. So I just got this like teal yarn, and yeah, this is part one. This is my quick little tutorial, and part two I will be doing the finishing touches to the blanket. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah. Okay guys, so basically this is the end of the video, and I'm just gonna finish off what I have so far, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like towards the end. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want a more detailed video, that will be in a different project, not this one, because remember guys, this is part 1 and I haven't finished making the blanket. So I'm trying to think what colors I should add to it. I'm thinking maybe pink and like a magenta, pink or purple something. And here go my child. Anywho, so yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for part 2, which will come soon. As I finish this video, hopefully I get to finish, and hopefully I don't go into labor anytime soon, because I'm very tired. So ignore the back noise, and here we go. Yeah, so it'll be coming up soon. You guys will see